Traders, FS Pep Collector here. Today is Monday, July 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold dollar, I still think this is a 1, 2, 3, and I still suspect that it may not be done going up because most wave 3s do hit at least a 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2. So I'm definitely still bullish until proven otherwise. I think eventually it is going to go up at least to the 2550. Then it should make a correction for a wave 4, then another push up for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still suspect that the wave 4 is already over and this could just keep on trending up from here. It is a pretty strong move down on the sort of time frames, but until it actually breaks to the downside, I'm definitely still very bullish. Going down to the daily time frame. Now I see a few different possibilities here. One possibility is, to me, this definitely looks like 5 waves down over here. Kind of makes you wonder if this is an A, and this is actually supposed to be 1, 2, 3 waves up for wave B. If that is a wave B, it's a higher high wave B, that's no big deal, that happens a lot. Then this is actually going to make a downtrend, which would probably look something like this, and probably still part of a wave 4 before it actually does continue up for the wave 5. That's one of my possibilities. My other possibility is what I've been saying for a while, which is that the wave 4 is already over and that this is just going to keep on making higher highs and higher lows. So definitely keep an eye on your structure. If it does not break structure, then there still is a good chance that it could just keep on going up from here. To me, it does kind of resemble a 1, 2, 3, so it might just make a wave 4 and just keep on trending up for that wave 5. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, this is definitely a trend right here. It looks like I'm almost on perfect 5 wave trend, but the important part for me is that it has not broken below and held below structure yet. If it does break and hold below structure really strong, and then I would definitely be looking for shorts at the end of every pullback I see, because that would probably tell us we're going down for at least a wave C on the daily time frame. If it doesn't break below structure, or if it goes up and breaks this structure, that would definitely turn me into a buyer, and it could even be the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame and below, we definitely should be looking for shorts. There's no reason to go long yet, but if it does make that double bottom and then it goes up and breaks structure, then that is what's going to turn me into a buyer at the end of every pullback I see. So if you do see a break of structure, then definitely start looking for longs. That would most likely tell you that this trend down is over. If it doesn't break structure, but instead just keeps on going down, making lower lows, lower highs, then just continue to look for shorts at the end of every pullback you see. So just pay attention to your structure, pay attention to price, and you should be trading in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.